So, dear children, today we are going to see the new topic in this session 2 in the unit 2. That is, till that we are going to complete the session 2. That is working with hyperlinks. Okay. So, what is hyperlink and how to create the hyperlink? That are all the basic things we are going to see, and how to include the hyperlink. What are all things we can do with that options? So, these things and all we are going to see in this today's session. So what is hyperlink means? It is an external link to in order to open your file or in order to open another source. Okay. So hyperlink is just a link to create or it's created by us in order to open or in order to access the file or the folder or any image or whatever thing. Okay. It may be another website also too. Okay. So accessing another object, that's what common term if you want to give means in order to access another term we can use hyperlink in our spreadsheet. Okay, so in these things and all there are two type of hyperlinks also there, relative hyperlink and absolute hyperlink. Okay, so the two things we are going to see, what is absolute hyperlink sir, what is relative hyperlink sir. If you are asking the question, you can see this. An absolute link will stop working only if the target is moved. Suppose the target is moved means it won't work. But relative link will not stop. Okay, working it start if the started and target location is relative to each other. That is, if it is a little bit moved also from one folder to another folder, it will start to work. Okay, so these things are all we are going to see literally how it's working on that. Okay, so first we are going to see the hyperlink and the external hyperlink also. After that, one more concept also there. So creating and accessing an internet, how to contact to the external data. So these things and all we are going to see in this today's session. Okay, this is a theoretical content. I'm just showing the content. So after that, we will go ahead with the new things. Okay. So let me go the open office spreadsheet. Then we will do all those things what we have discussed. Okay, working with hyperlink. Okay, 1 minute. I will minimize that. Let me open the open office writer. Okay, fine, dear children. Let me open the spreadsheet because we are dealing with the spreadsheet. Now the spreadsheet is opened. Okay, I hope it is visible. Okay, now we are going to create a hyperlink. Okay, how to create in order to access another file. How to open or how to access another file. Let I will tell it. Okay, just click on any cell. For example, here I just click the cell. Which cell I have clicked? Can you tell the name of the cell which I have clicked?
C5, sir.
C5, sir.
Very good, very good. So in this link, I'm going to create a hyperlink. For that, we need to go to the insert menu. Can you see this insert menu? Just to click the insert menu, you can find one option called as hyperlink, correct? So just to click the hyperlink option, then we can, the hyperlink window will get open. Okay. So in these things, we can connect to the 3 or 4 options are there. 4 options are there. One is we can give a link to the internet. Okay, and second thing, mail and news, that is mail address. For example, if you are using the Windows Outlook, okay, but now most of the people are we are using what, Gmail or Yahoo, that mail address only. No, if the mail is synchronized with your system means then we can open it, otherwise just leave it. Okay, and then open another existing document. Okay, how to access a document. Okay, and then next one is creating a new document. So these things we are going to see. First I will open the new document from the starting onwards. So how to click the new document, how to, by clicking that, how to open a new document, just I am going to show you. Just select the new option, new document option. Then you can find the 2 buttons, edit now, edit later. Okay, so let me do the editing on the new document. It will be later. I'm just clicking edit later option. Okay, file, which file, the file location or file path we need to select where the new file want to be. Now only we are going to create a new file. Okay, so which type of file, what type of file? You can see this presentation, formula, master document, HTML document, spreadsheet, everything. For example, I'm just doing with the text document. That is text writer I'm about to open. I'm just clicking the select path option. Okay, please note down this very quickly. And then I'm just going to keep for our for convenience, I'm just clicking the desktop itself. Desktop is the location. Sir, I want to save in D colon, sir, or E drive, sir. Whatever drive we can open it, not an issue. Okay. Suppose I want to keep in the F drive, sir, or else whatever location we can pen drive. If you want to connect that also, it is possible. Okay. So for now, for easy occurs, I'm just selecting the desktop option and click OK. Okay. So text file, I'm going to create text document that I have selected. See, text document I have selected, and frame, you don't need to select anything, just it will be a blank, and then text or button. Okay, two things are there. So first I will do with the text for your understanding. Just to select the text option and text, which text you want to come. For example, I'm just clicking new file. Okay, this is the name I'm going to give. Okay, new file is the name I'm going to give. This name is optional. I'm just giving the same thing, new file. So that's not an issue. Okay, so I'm just clicking apply. Okay, 1 minute. Space is not. 1 minute. Okay, here I have to give the file name. That's what the problem. Okay, so here I have opened, this is not, space is not a problem. Desktop, I have to create a new file. No, for example, I'm just creating file 1. Okay, this is the document name. Okay, file 1. Okay, this is the name I'm going to create, text file. Okay, then apply. Okay, so can you guess it? I'm just closing this. You can find it is a new file. So you want to understand whether it is hyperlink or not, sir. Just on text only there, sir. If you are normally keeping the pointer near to that, you can see what the pointer is changed into one hand symbol. Could you understand? Could you see that? Could you notice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just clicking, what will happen? The new file will open. Have you understand? It's a new file, text document file has opened, no? Then we can edit here. Okay, so this is an example. I'm just typing the text something. Example for hyperlink in spreadsheet. Okay, I just given this one. This is the content I'm saving this. It will be get saved. I'm just closing the things again. Okay, so now if I open then click the new file means that file will be open. Have you got it? So how to open the external document?
Yes, sir.
It is a text document. Suppose, sir, I want to create one spreadsheet, sir, that I want to keep, sir. For not an issue. For example, that also we can create. Okay, new file, and then can you say that how to open it? Can you create another one sheet, hyperlink? New hyperlink.
Insert menu, sir.
Insert menu. Hyperlink
Hyperlink.
option. Yeah. Then new
New
document.
document.
Edit now or edit
Edit
later?
later.
Edit
Edit later,
later.
sir.
And location where I have to say, I will show that one thing. See the file 1, I have given the file, no, it is here. Can you see the pointer? Because I have selected desktop, because I want to show to you. That's what. If I keep inside the computer means it will be take some time to open it. Okay, so I just keep on the desktop itself. No, that's file 1. Okay, let me come to the thing here. I'm just going to say select the location. Okay, documents or wherever we can keep. That's what I have said. Whatever drive you like to keep, let you keep it, not an issue. Okay, so by default, I'm sorry, not default, by easy for access, I'm just selecting the desktop and click OK. Instead of now, I'm going to open a spreadsheet instead of text document. Okay, spreadsheet I'm going to select, and it will be a text, and just I'm giving new spreadsheet. Okay. Okay, so I have given, before that I have to click here. I want to give the name, file name. Okay, so I'm just giving sp1. Okay, spreadsheet 1 or else sp1 I have given as a name. Okay, so that is a name for the file. Okay, this is name for what? The hyperlink name. Okay, this name, the text is mandatory, and this name, no, this name is option. We can give or we may skip it. For example, I am now going to skip. I'm just clicking up apply and close. Can you understand? The new spreadsheet, that is a name I have given. No, if I click that, what will happen? The sp.ods, that is open office spreadsheet, will open. Okay, so shall I open it? I'm just clicking only one click, it will get open. It is a new one, no, so that's what it doesn't have anything. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for example, yesterday class we have seen to reference, to insert another page from external data. How to insert? Go to insert and then sheet from file, correct? So I'm so sorry, 1 minute. It will be open. So book one I am selecting. Okay, in that first sheet I am selecting. Yesterday we have seen no the same thing. This was we have done no. Could you understand? So inserting
Yes.
another sheet. Yeah, suppose renaming means just double click or right click and we can give a new name for the new name or rename the sheet. For example, I'm just giving names. Okay. Okay, just given this name. I'm just closing this one. I just saved it. Okay, now if I click the spreadsheet, automatically the page will be open. The SP1, no, we have given the file name, correct? So where these files are, where is the location we have selected? Can you see this? Desktop, correct? Correct, no? So here the original file is there. What about this file, sir? We didn't save so far. Okay, so it's a link. Could you understand? This is a link. Have you understand how to create hyperlink?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me go to the next option. Suppose I want to open some websites, sir. How to create, sir? Very simple. For your namesake, I just open the Google website. 1 minute will get loaded. For 1 more minute. Okay, this is the web page of Google. So I'm just copying the address. Okay, I'm just copying it. I'm just go to this. I'm just closing this web page. For example, sorry, spreadsheet. So here I'm just going to create one hyperlink. Just go to the insert and hyperlink. Here you can first option internet. Okay. So if you want to go for internet means I'm just clicking internet and target. Target means which website. Okay. I'm just pasting which I have copied no from the browser. I just pasting that one. Here text I have given name. I'm just giving Google. Okay. Okay, Google I'm just giving, and then I here the name for the thing also I'm just giving Google home page, just like that. Whatever we can give, not an issue. Okay, then apply. That's all. I'm closing. So can you see this? Google is now what it is hyperlink. If I click that, what will happen? It will open the Google page. Can you understand this? Automatically it will open the web page. I'm just close this one. Suppose I'm supposing closing this one. Now I have closed all the browsers. Okay. So I'm just clicking now. It will take some time because the default web browser is what? Internet Explorer. That's what it is slow. Have you understand how we can go to the web page? Not only Google, whatever websites. Okay. Could you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So this is the use of it, sir. You can say what is the use of this thing, sir? Suppose you may think that very simple. I'm just going to delete all the content. I will show that. Okay. Now I'm just going to create the mark list of, for example, half yearly marks on quarterly exam marks or else term 1 marks, term 2 marks. Okay. If it is in different file, it is in the different file. So this is the main file. Just clicking the file, that file will get open. Have you understand what I'm coming to tell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So by creating the hyperlink, by clicking that, we can open to the, we can easily open that file. The file we may store it in different location. Okay. So instead of that, we can refer, we are keeping everything in a single file. So if you simply open this spreadsheet, I'm saying the showing no, if I just simply open this spreadsheet and we already created the hyperlink means by just clicking that link, automatically that file will be open. Okay, suppose we forgot that means okay where I have downloaded but I don't know where I have stored, which location I have stored. Suppose you forgot it, also not an issue. Just you open all the files. No, for example, you are just creating the hyperlink for all the important files means all the files will be gets open by in order to create a, if you created the hyperlink means. Have you all understand what I'm going to tell? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
So it is very easy for us no to keep it our files to be in very prepared manner. Okay. For example, now I'm just going to create a, for example, task I'm just giving. Okay. So now you want to create a web portal or else not web portal. You are going to create a file spreadsheet which contains all the online shoppings. What are all the online shopping websites are there? Can you say? Where and all you
Amazon.
purchase? Amazon. Good. Then.
Flip.
Flipkart. Okay, for example, I'm just giving online shopping sites. Okay, I'm just clicking. So we are getting number of things. Okay, for example, I need this site name means I'm just copying this site. I'm just copying copy link. I copied the link. This is the for Snapdeal. Okay, so I'm just going to here and typing. Click here to open to visit. Visit. What is the thing? Snapdeal. No. Right. I think a spelling mistake. Okay, Snapdeal website. Okay, let it be. For example, I'm just going to create a thing. It will be easy for you. I'm just making it a very big size. Okay, and just it is a thing. Okay, online shopping sites, websites at one place. Okay, I'm just giving as a title for that. I'm just merging this and to be making as a bold, underline, okay, and center alignment. I'm just increasing the font size to be 14. Okay, and it will be a whatever site, not an issue. So this basic details and all I have made it. Okay, it will be, for example, if you want to fill with some other color means I'm just filling the color. Okay, so here I have clicked that one, that is text color I'm changing. It will be in this color. Okay, want to be in bold and want to be in little big size. Okay, so here I want to create a hyperlink for what? To open the Snapdeal, correct? So how to create a hyperlink? That's what we have seen, no? How to create a hyperlink? Can you
Click
tell?
insert menu, sir.
Insert menu. Hyperlink option.
Hyper
The target we have to click
internet.
internet. Yeah, internet. Then in the target menu
Click.
we have to paste the Snapdeal website which we collected. No, so I'm just clicking here text. Okay, in this text I'm just giving Snapdeal. Okay.
Sir, instead of doing this and all, we can copy paste now, sir, that link.
That's we are doing. No, I'm just applying. Now you can understand. I'm just giving yes, and I'm just Snapdeal. I'm just giving. That's what we have done. So here we have doing like that one. For example, this is the Snapdeal website, or else I'm just copying this one and creating another one page. For example, for Amazon. Okay, or else whatever thing. What is the next site is there? Myntra. Okay, so this is what I want to copy the link. So once we collected this link means it's very easy. Okay, so I'm just clicking here again. I'm just go to the insert hyperlink. Okay, internet, and then what I have copied I'm just pasting here. I'm just giving the name for the thing, Myntra. I'm just giving some name. Okay, I'm just giving apply and close. Okay, this is the thing. Likewise, we can create it. Once we have done all those things means you asked one wonderful question, ma. For example, why we are doing no, sir? Just we can directly we can. Suppose we forgot. This is the website. This common website we know. Some other website we forgot it means, or else it is, if you want to help to some of your friends means, hey, I see one deal, one offer in the Snapdeal or else what is the thing, Amazon. So then instead of they are searching, if you are copying the link and pasting like ways in the spreadsheet or in the text document means, if you're sending that file, they can easily refer, no, for shirt, click this one, or for this material, for this chudidar, or for this material, you can click this one, or for this fashion items, you can click this. Like this, we can create that itineraries, no, which you are liked that you want to show to your friends means you want to refer your friends also. Correct? Have you understand what I'm coming to tell? Dear children.
No, sir.
You didn't understand?
No, sir.
Okay. Let I will.
Sir, if you simply copy and paste it in spreadsheet, then it will not open that page, sir.
You are saying like that. You are doing like that.
Sir.
Now, see, for example, I made it. If I click whether it is hyperlink, what will come? This is the page
Oh,
for.
okay.
Okay, if I click means nothing will happen. Have you got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is
Got it, sir.
very good, very good. So, yeah, now only I understood your doubt. For example, I have created this things. I'm just saving the file. Okay, this file I'm saving. 1 minute. I'm saving the desktop itself. I'm just giving online or shopping. Shopping. I'm just giving it a name for the spreadsheet. I saved this file. Okay, it will be saved in this name. For example, whenever I need to open the site, for example, I closed it. Okay, suppose I closed all those things. So later part, after 5 days, after 7 days, I just want to do the online shopping. Just opening this site, that's enough. This page itself enough. Okay, 1 minute will be gets open. Okay, so immediately I want to visit the Snapdeal just by clicking, that's all. Okay, automatically it will goes to the web page. Have you understood? Now it's opening or not? Could you see that or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yeah, so like this we can search whatever you like or else electronics, gadgets, you can see a lot of things are there. Okay, you can click anything and you can menswear, women, like with whatever, you can directly take to the websites. Okay, I'm just closing. Again, suppose we want to open the Myntra, just I am clicking that, just only one click. We no need to do anything. We no need to go for the search. Okay, 1 minute, it's getting load little bit. Okay, fine. Likewise, it will open directly to the website. Okay, so we no need to worry about that. So, for example, it is for safety also. Whenever we are trying to open we may forget no which is original website, suppose bank websites and all, which is original, which is duplicate. We don't know. Okay, so likewise, if you once we noted the site, we want to buy something from the site means you can keep the site to be very easy. Then we can easily purchase. Have you got it? Have you understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of it? I hope you understand this. Okay, so it will be very easy. So we can easily decorate that the everything. Okay, so fill with some other colors, and we can create a wonderful what is the thing to click. Okay, just you can make it a very good page. Okay, so just by simply clicking this one, automatically it will be gets open. Have you understood, dear children? This is the way to create a hyperlink. This is one of your project. Okay, so I'm just make it as a big little bit. So we can easily create a page. Likewise, n number of sites. For example, result CBSE result. This site. Okay, suppose you are visiting some what is the thing? Some educational content site. Later you may forget no which site I have downloaded the question paper or which site I have download this material. You may forget. So instead of if you saved like this means it will be very easy. Okay, instead of sending the link, if you are created like this type of hyperlink means you can easily send this file, the shopping file. No, I'm just selecting this shopping file. If you easily send to your friends means as a mail attachment, they will open it. All the links are there very quick. For science, this is the website. For social, this is the website. Could you catch my point? What I'm coming to tell? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Understood, sir.
good, good. So this is what our works. Okay, in this hyperlink. By using hyperlink, not only on the internet, we can open any files also, any documents also, which we have stored in our computer. That's we have seen, no? So suppose I want to open this. That's what SP1 I have opened. Okay, what is the file? File one we have opened. Okay, so any other content also from the, for example, from different location from our computer, if you want to open also, if you make everything as a hyperlink means our work will be very easy. We no need to remember that where we stored the file. Suppose we may store in D colon or E colon, after some days we may forget. Okay, but instead of that, if you created this type of hyperlink means it's very easy for our remembrance. I mean, we no need to remember just by clicking. For example, physics 1 mark. I'm so sorry. Science 1 mark. You have downloaded one science 1 mark file. Okay. Suppose you stored in the my downloads, or else you stored the file in D colon or E colon. Okay, whatever drive. So we can, once you created the hyperlink means very easy. Just I am saying one more thing. So documents, you have to click the path. Which path you have to select? Okay, target in document, which document you are opening, and the name, text, and the same thing. You just click apply means it will be very easy. Then the file will be get attached. For example, 1 mark in science, just give you a link. By clicking that, what will happen? That file will get open. We have seen, no, in order to open the SP1, that name list, everything. Could you remember? Just before we have done. Have you got it? How to attach an internal file?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we have, at last we have done that, how to connect to the internet. That is how to open the web page. At last we have seen. Okay, external sites and all, how to open that we have seen. Okay, this is very simple. So for subjective matters, not only for educational purpose, for example, for you may plan to go for a tour after time, you may visit, you may search many websites. Okay, so whatever thing, I'm just saying some examples only. Okay, so you can keep that website to be, if you make it as a hyperlink, means later if you want to do, or else see, last time we have went this type of places, that information I got from this website. We may not, it is not possible to remember that website, no. So if you make it as a hyperlink, means it will be very easy for us. You can easily send to your friends, see, I'm just visiting this websites and I get some idea related to the tourist, and you also just visit, you will also get some idea where you need to go for tour. Likewise, for example, I'm saying, okay, for educational, for tour, for entertainment, okay, for whatever thing. So if you are creating the hyperlink, it will be very much helpful for you. And apart from that, as you are learning it, okay, it will be useful for many things. For example, for me also, it will be very useful. For whomever maybe. For example, in your mother, you don't know, or else your grandmother, they don't know the website to open. For example, I'm saying, okay. So if you created like this very simple sheet, means they can easily click, no, correct? They can easily click this, no. They no need to open the browser. They no need to type the address. They no need to search on the Google. All these things will be violated. I mean, it will be skipped, no. Have you understand? Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so instead of if your father or else your I'm saying, just for example, I'm saying, okay, it's not mean that your father don't know, your everyone know that very well nowadays. I'm saying, for example, your grandfather or grandmother don't know how to open the website, something else, means you can make it as a hyperlink, means just they want to open the file and click on the sites, which site they want to open, that's all. We can give a very detailed description. I'm just given now, click here to visit Snapdeal website. Likewise, we can give a title, we can give whatever type. Okay, so we can make it a little bit colorful, means it will be very attractive and very easy to identify. Okay, just by clicking that, only one click, automatically the website will be open, they can see that. Okay, for example, I'm saying like that, for whatever purpose we can easily create the hyperlink. Dear children, I hope you understand how to do the, what is the use of hyperlink, how to create the hyperlink also, how to make use of it also. I hope you understand that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Let me go to the theoretical content, theory session, 1 minute. So this is what we have seen, how to open that. They have given the very clear, elaborate way. They have explained all those things that we have seen, no? So how to just click apply and then close, then the window will be get closed by clicking the link, it will be gets open. That things and all, new document, mail and news, that we are, what are the options we have seen. So everything we have seen that, literally how we have opened all those things. Okay, so how to create as a button, likewise we can create it instead of text, we can open as a button. Very simple, just very simple. I will just show it. For example, I'm just creating a network. I'm just giving google.com. Okay, for example. So I'm just creating that. Instead of that, I'm just keeping as a button. The button name is just Google. I'm just giving name for the button is just, I'm giving GL. Okay. So where I want to create, that is very important. I'm just closing. First, I want to select this one. Just home page, I'm just typing for my sake. I'm just creating the insert hyperlink and then target, and just I want to type www.google.com. Okay, so I have just typed, instead of text I'm keeping the button, and the button name I'm just giving Google. For just for name for the button, I'm just giving GOO. Okay, I'm just applying that, that's all. Okay, could you understand that? Could you understood this? Instead of that, we can get a button, instead of text we can resize the button, everything. Okay, Have you understood? It will open to the Google.
Yes.
Okay, that's all. But here it is what? It is in the text, but it is here in the button, the form of button. Okay, that's all. That will be the thing. Sometimes it may not work. Okay, just open because it is covering with the next one. It's not getting open. We will wait for a minute. Just clicking it. Okay. So it will take time. It's not opening properly. Not an issue. Just I want to show the only one thing, how to create a button. Okay. So that also you learned it. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. So sorry, dear children. It was suddenly I got a phone call. That's what I lose the signal. Okay. So I'm audible now. I think I have shared my screen also too. Am I audible
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yeah, fine, fine.
Yes.
So this is what we have seen, how to create a button, everything, and let me come to the content. This is what we are discussing. Okay, external link, how to take to the other pages, other web page or other files. That also we have seen that instead of clicking to the external data, by we can easily click that the same hyperlink in our that is in our things also. In hyperlink itself, we can create to the external data. That is, they have given in another form. We can done in a very easy way. Okay. So this is where we can, if you want to open a database also, we can open it. That first you want to learn the database, then I will teach this one. Okay. So likewise, we can create very easily the hyperlink. So I hope you understand how to create it. Now it is the activity. They have said that what is the thing? Create and set of worksheets for storing records of marks of different classes and compare all these on the spreadsheet, separate worksheet. That means by using yesterday we have done the reference, no, cell reference or sheet reference. Could you notice that just now also we have done it? Could you remember how to do the reference? Reference means we have done no total to calculate the total. English mark in separate page, physics mark at separate page. We have seen yesterday. Could you remember that? So finding the total, finding the average. Likewise, here different classes marks. For example, sixth standard. One of the student asked, sir, everything shall we keep on the same page? No, sir. Of course. For example, sixth standard. I will show to literally what you want to do for this activity. Suppose sheet 2, this is for 6th standard. Name of serial number, name of the student, English, Tamil, Hindi, science, social, EVS, something else. So then total average. This is 6th standard marks. Okay. Then 7th standard sheet, like with the same follow, you can do that. Okay. Then what the activity was given, you want to compare all the separate sheets. Compare means who is getting more total, which subject is, which class having more average by comparing the total. For example, 6th standard total, it will be present here means you want to easily refer that 6th standard total, no? On separate page, you can create a new page, and then in the new page, we can easily create what? 6th standard total, 7th standard total, 8th standard total. So by using the reference, cell reference, we can easily refer all the data in a single sheet, single worksheets. Could you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Remaining people, do you all understand? Remaining students also?
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. So that is your activity they have given. You can see, create a worksheets for storing record of marks of different classes. For example, class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10. Okay, compare all those things, all this means, for example, let you take as a total or else average. For example, let you take the total. Okay, so 6th standard, what is the total of all the students? Which is the highest total of the 6th standard, which is highest total of the 7th standard. Likewise, we can easily
Sir, how do you want to compare it, sir?
compare how you want. That I will show that how to compare. It's very easy, ma. For example, for time being, I'm just typing 1 minute. Suppose it's the name. I'm just giving English. You know that this is the same sample. Tamil, and then science, then social. I'm just giving. Then total. Okay. Then average. Okay. So here I'm just giving the name. I'm just typing something, and then marks,